Hi! So today I'll be setting up my first bullet journal. I bought a Leuchtturm notebook in this aggressively orange color, not because it particularly fits my aesthetic, just because I really like it and I don't think it would get as dirty as yellow would or any other pastel color that might be more to my liking. Beautiful with purple, as you do. And yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. Enjoy. I've been wanting a bullet journal because I love to-do lists, and regular agendas or planners don't really allow me to use that to the fullest potential. I also have a lot of creativity in my brain that I like to put out there, and if I have something that's both useful and creative, then I'll feel less guilty for making time for the creative aspect of it, I think. Do I have a neat handwriting? No, you're gonna hate this. My handwriting is shit. I can draw pretty letters, but I can't write pretty letters. And I think this will help me structure my life, and due to very well-known reasons of certain viruses, I currently have the time to set it up, which I'm stoked for. So, as the curse predicts, I found it horrifying to start, and as mentioned before, my handwriting is pretty bad. So I was pretty happy that this turned out okay. I played it safe. You didn't get to see my last name. And it has a really nice content page, which I haven't started using yet, but I'm excited to actually use it once I get a bit further and need it. Even though I'm really into drawing, I'm not filling like my planner with too many drawings because I think it's distracting from the content, and here I'm just setting up a little annual schedule. Because I only started in April, it's a bit wonky, but I love knowing when my friends' birthdays are, and otherwise I would definitely forget them. Also, a warning, if you're ever planning on having your own bullet journal, this is a hassle. You need to write so many numbers and you're gonna make mistakes. And I guess that's fine. That's part of the process. And as the best daughter would, I put my mom's birthday in first. Now this was to be the first main page of a month, because I didn't really know what to put. I kept some spare pages empty, but I just wrote April in a cutesy way, added some place for some goals, and just some random notes that I might want to carry on for the next month, and that was it. Most important part, snack break. After the initial front page of the month, I started making my habit trackers. I decided to track my sleep schedule and mood, which I don't actually show in the video, but those will be some fun lined graphs. Then I have a workout, a homework, and a reach out habit that I'm tracking, because I think those things are important. And as I was training for half a marathon, it was important for me to run occasionally or often enough, following the 2-day rule. And as a student, I should really be doing homework. I really should. The next part is the most in line with regular planners I've used. It's just a weekly list of the days. For me, weeks definitely start on Mondays, and I will use these to have to-do lists for every day, which I'll add a week ahead or a day ahead so that I can have productive and fun days. So here's a little flip through of what I did. I have the months, I have 2020 books, where I'm gonna write down all the books I'll read this year, I have the April front page, my habit trackers with some pre-filled in days because I remembered those things, and then what my weeks will look like every time. I filmed this bit after a few days of using it, and now you can see a bit more what it looks like when it's being used. Other things that you can use it for, I decided to add gratitudes and tea to talk about, which is literal tea, not figurative tea, sorry. Thanks for joining me in setting up my first bullet journal. I hope you learned something, and if you didn't, that makes sense because I'm very new to this and I shouldn't be teaching you anything about it, but I hope you had fun nonetheless.